when I was praying, pertaining to Zimbabwe. There is an investigation that I saw taking place in the future. An investigation. This investigation, it may shake the corridors of government. It's a legal activity, an investigation in the near future. It may shake the corridors of government. Because in a vision, I was standing in front of one of the government buildings, and I saw the columns, these pillars that support a building, especially a building with floors. I saw the columns shaking. I say, I'm standing in front of this government building, this huge government building, and the columns are shaking and the building is beginning to shake. What does this mean? And the Holy Spirit told me, this is an investigation that will take place in the near future. It will shake the corridors of government. So there is an investigation which will take place in the future in this country. We must pray for stability of the government. It's something which people will see. It's a sign. It's a sign. When that investigation takes place, it will be a sign that certain changes in government, they are imminent. When they see the message, they may try to resist the message. But when the time for the message to be fulfilled has come, they won't be able to resist it. They will feel compelled to actually fulfill the message. When they hear the message, this message may be even discussed in very high places. They will say, what investigation can shake our corridors, the corridors of government? Guys, let us avoid anything which can shake the government. But when the season has arrived, just like a pregnant woman does not plan to go into labor, they will find themselves in labor and they will find themselves undertaking the investigation. And they will commit resources to undertake the investigation which will shake the corridors of government. The good thing is that I didn't see the building falling. I just saw it being what? Shaken. I saw this